Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to secure your Wi-Fi network so you can protect your internet connection from unauthorized users and keep your data safe. First, open your router settings by typing your router's IP address into a web browser and logging into the admin panel. Next, change your Wi-Fi password to a strong and unique one. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it harder to guess. Now change the router admin login password as well. Many routers use default usernames and passwords, which can make your network easy to access if not updated. After that, enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption in wireless security settings. This provides stronger protection compared to older security types. Then disable WPS, also known as Wi-Fi protected setup, because it can sometimes create security vulnerabilities. Next, check the list of connected devices in your router dashboard and remove or block any unknown devices using MAC address filtering if available. Also, keep your router firmware updated. Updates fix security issues and improve overall network protection. Another useful step is disabling remote management unless you actually need it, which prevents outside access to your router settings. Finally, restart your router after applying all changes to activate the new security settings properly. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi network should now be much more secure and protected from unwanted access. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more internet and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.